Okay, we are now broadcasting. I can see the attendees filling in. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the Innovating in a Crisis webinar with Duncan Wardle. We've got 64, 71. People are flooding in. There truly is no one better placed out there to really give us some fantastic insights on how to innovate in these difficult times.
Well, thank you very much. And thank you for everybody who's joined from goodness knows how many time zones. By a show of hands now, who thinks they can draw like Pablo Picasso? If you could pick one single barrier that gets in the way of you being more innovative and creative at work, what would you say it is?
47% of people have said no time to think.
But creativity is a muscle, and like every other muscle, if you're not using it, it goes away. When you've been throwing out ideas and people are constantly saying no because, how does that make you feel?
Demotivated.
Tell me the 3 or 4 essential ingredients we must have in our car wash. Well, screw that. We're going into business and we're going to open an auto spa. Now, what could we put in our spa? All I did was re-express the challenge to say auto spa, and suddenly we've got masseuses, pedicures, and wax. Diversity is innovation. If people don't look like you, they don't think like you. And if they don't think like you, they can help you think differently.
Okay, I'm ending the webinar, everyone. We'll see you across on the other side.